Jordan with Sunset Cars of Auburn, and this is our 2008 Toyota Corolla CE, stock number 97449. If you type that in on our website, sunsetcars.com, you're going to get to see all the awards and features that this car has. No doubt about it. This car has a lot of awards. It's a Toyota Corolla. Everybody's heard of these things. It got Best Bet for passenger cars, Best Resale Value, Best Value in America for passenger cars, Best by Class for compact cars, Best Interior Design, Motor's Choice Awards, Most Fuel Efficient. It has 4- and 5-star crash test ratings, a nice clean light gray cloth interior that matches the silver paint, leather steering wheel and shift knob trim, lots of safety features, including dual front airbags, child seat anchors and safety door locks with the latch system, front and rear crumple zones, body side reinforcements with side impact door beams, and an emergency interior trunk release and an energy absorbing steering column. But enough of that. What about some fun stuff? It has a CD player and a radio, really comfortable front bucket seats, and all for a great price. You should take a look at this car at Sunset Cars of Auburn or sunsetcars.com. Come on into Sunset and tell them that Jordan sent you when you do.